Today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the backlight on this knob here. The bulb went out, and whenever it's dark you don't see any of the numbers here. So you can see here the light is on. It's kind of hard to see because it's daylight, but here the lights are off. And same with this one, lights are on. So first thing we're going to do is remove this here, this side, and then under here, and these two panels. We're going to remove those using these plastic tools so we don't damage the interior. I am prying this side out, and it should just pop out. Here. So I'm going to keep prying it out down the edges. But I need both hands to do that. Here it is, it just popped out. Now I can just, if I pulled it from up here, popped out, and I should be able to get this whole section out. Yep. So there it is, there's just some clips. They clip on there, and it looks like a couple may have fallen out. So we'll go find those. So do this in both sides, and then take off this here and this other section there. Here are the other parts. Left side come out. This also just, I just pull it out. Clip, clip. Here. Setting it aside. There's the other section. This whole section came out at once, so I just took it out. Now we should have access to this section here. We may have to remove the stereo first. We have to remove the stereo because there's these tabs here that connect to the bottom of the stereo. So they have these tabs there. So you will not be able to just pull it out directly. Luckily, I am doing a stereo install at the same time, so you would have to take out the sides here. This just pulls out directly, and you can just put it on top. The stereo, I had to use this tool to get all the way here. There's 4 screws here, here, there, and over here. Once you pull it out, then you have the harness, and the harness has clips under them, so you have to push the clip down and pull the harness along with the radio cable. The screw there, screw on the other side, and here just there's a couple tabs you have to push on the sides to get this out. I've also put the car in park and put this now to the side by taking off this here and just pushing it down with a screwdriver as you move the handle backwards. So push this aside. I also accidentally dropped one of the screws, one of these bigger ones for the stereo, so I'm going to go looking for it. Under also has these clips here, which go under here. So in order to take this guy out, you're gonna have to remove this whole thing. So now that it's smooth, you can just pull this out, and then we can replace the bulb. So now we pull it out, let's take out this clip. So this one, and this one, so we can get access to the back of this guy. After all that, here it is, and that's the guy we want to replace. So we'll take a screwdriver there, twist it counterclockwise, maybe 90 degrees, and we'll pull it out. We'll put the new guy in. So it's this guy here. Here's the part number, bulb with cap, 90010-01122 from Toyota. And it was about $6.21, which is also a rip-off considering this thing's probably like 10 cents to make. So let's replace it. Took it out. So basically you turn it 90 degrees counterclockwise. You're gonna have to flip this over and catch it because it's really hard to get your fingers in there to grab onto it, and I'm gonna replace it. It's all completed. You came for a bulb install, but you got a stereo as well. Because in order to get to this area, you have to remove this whole thing. So if you think of replacing this, you can also think about replacing the stereo if you wanted to.